Honda vs Toro Lawn Mowers. Toro and Honda lawn mowers are two of the most reliable brands on the market for homeowners who do their own turf maintenance. Both manufacturers offer consumer-friendly models that are easy to use and maintain. Safety. Both manufacturers offer features on their mowers that protect consumers during operation. Honda has a blade shut-off system that allows operators to separately turn off the blades while the engine remains running, to empty the mowing bag. Toro's blade override system protects consumers in a similar manner. Walk-behind models. Honda offers some of the most powerful engines on the market. Models are available in push and self-propelled varieties and with side or rear discharge options. Custom features may be added to any model. Toro emphasizes the green aspect of its walk-behind models, including mulching capabilities and options for gas or electric-powered engines. Models are also available in a variety of mowing widths. Riding mowers. Although Honda is known for its vehicles, the company doesn't manufacture riding lawn mowers. Toro has a number of models in its lineup, including 3 different zero-turn mowers designed specifically for homeowners. The company's larger lawn and garden tractors feature high horsepower for hauling and towing specialized attachments.